Oh shit.
Where do you think you're going?
Yeah, kick her in the face, Mia. Way to go. Hey guys, what's up? It's Wife of a Gamer here. We're starting where we left off. We just played Mia and now we're headed back to being Ethan to explore the house further.
What did they do to you, Mia?
I wonder if you can get out of the game. So I'd like to save right now. Wow. Yeah. Alright, let's take that. I think we can get out now. Sick. Oh. Get the shotgun. Get 3 dog heads and open the door to the yard. Okay. Alright. Yeah, exactly. Who knows what. Okay. Let's get these little statues. Somebody want to take a shower? Oh. Come on, guys. Give me more space. I'm gonna drop all of these. Oops. I know these may be something good to have in the future, but we're dropping them. Drop this too. Alright, so delete. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's also delete all. Oh, consume. Oh, yeah. Nope, not doing that. Oops. Since I don't really know how to use this, I'm just going to do that instead. Let's do... just delete them. Maybe I'll regret it later on, but oh well. Yeah. So guess what? Got my gun again. Should I check this one? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Oh,
Heck of a thing, ain't it? Sure shit beats the hell out of dying. My little girl has given us a gift. And this gift is with me always. As you can see, the family is only part of her gift. which in a word means you're fucked.
Yeah, totally.
You can't hide from me, boy.
Shit, I'm dead. Shit, I'm dead. Shit, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. God. No. Oh, I'm back to where I started.
Find you, right? I do.
As you guys can see, I had a lot of trouble trying to figure out how to switch between my weapons or even bring them up. So as kind of a newbie gamer, that part was a little confusing for me, especially on something on PC. Why won't you let me use it?
Ethan. Ethan. Ethan.
My thing is glitching all over the place. Dock and stitch. No. Maybe pendulum? This thing. This thing?
Boom!
Oh god! And a perpetual circle! Shit, Grandma's gone. Okay. Oh, that's why. Oh. That sucks. I think I already tried that one. This thing? Come on. Sucks ass. Okay. No, oh wait. Wooden statue. Got it. Oh, I got it. Okay. Let's do this. It's kind of off, but... Ugh. Come on, give me a break, dude. It's freaking hard. Okay, guys.
Who builds this shit?
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna be stuck in some creepy ass hallway. Hello, dear, in the room. Someone's like man cave. Actually, let's do that now. Let's eat this. See what it does. Okay. Someone's in taxidermy. Yeah, it would be great if they would let me... Whoa. I thought I heard something. Oops, I don't want that, but that's okay. I guess I'll take it. I don't know if I should take that. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, let's try it. Let's use these. See where items are for a limited time. Huh. Well, that is definitely helpful. So. Anything in here? No. Nothing in there, but there's some stuff in here. Lockpick, maybe? Alright. We're gearing up for another big battle, it seems like. Whoa. They're all rotten. Okay, so they're turning people into something. I don't know what. Something, of course. Why do I have all these coins? Sick. Oh god, it's getting creepier and creepier. What the shit? I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. Jesus Christ. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? So another thing is these save boxes, all of the items that are in that you put in the trunk, they transfer over to your next save spot. So I didn't put a whole lot in my first trunk because I thought I would have to go back into the house to get it out, but actually it goes over to your next save spot. That sucks. Yeah. Okay, let's save, guys. Okay, I need to figure out, guys, how to get my amp. Stupid. Let's do this. Jesus Christ. Cloaked monster. It came from here, I'm pretty sure. scorpion door. Okay. I know these are gonna do something. I just don't know what they're gonna do. Well, good thing they... Oh, let's go into a basement. Oh god, I'm gonna turn into one of those things. I really have to go this way? Scary moment walking into the basement without figuring out how to bring up any of my weapons, so I'm walking in completely blind. Shit. Go this way. Okay. And tucking tail and running. I need to know what is up with my gun though. Okay. This is my safe spot. How do I bring it up, guys? Anybody know that? Oh. Okay. And I finally figure it out. A quarter, a third of the way through the game. I'm a total newbie at all this stuff, so bear with me. And painful to watch me struggle with it for that long. Alright. Let's kill this friggin' mud monster. See if it can die. Gone. I think it is. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Better hurry, dude. What the hell? Okay, scorpion key for the scorpion door. That makes sense. Feels bad. Try and find. Let's do it one more time. Okay, fireplace. Check every fireplace I see. Okay. Let's drop this. Yes. Let's drop this too. Oh, apparently I can't drop that. Lockpick. Okay. Deeper into this creepy basement. Let's drop that. Drop it. Yes. like, yeah, take some creepy drug in a house that you don't even know. Ugh. Hmm. Okay. I know I have to get it open somehow, but